Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Today we will be talking about the GameStop stock and how it's the future of investing. What is it going to be like trading going forward? Now GameStop is the ticker symbol GME, currently trading at $82.97 at 2:34 p.m. Eastern Time. Today, January 25th, they are up 27.93%. If you do a simple Google search on GameStop stocks, you can see lots of news, and we're going to go through them and let's see some opinions and what's been happening with GameStop stocks. Now last year around November, GameStop was around $14.75. Now it's at a whopping $83.70. And the past 3 months it has been up 461%. The past months it has been up 289%. And the past week alone, it has been up 102%. And the past day, right now, it's up 29%. And this made me think, what's been getting the stock surge of the GME stocks? What's been happening? And it's all because of Reddit and Twitter. In an article by MarketWatch, Reddit moderator slams Wall Street fat cats as GameStop's wild ride continues. They hate that you played by the rules and still won. And Wall Street Bets crew celebrates on another volatile day for stock and video game retail chain. For those of you who don't know, Wall Street Bet is a subreddit on Reddit where people post insane, crazy trades, whether it's big gains or big losses. They just post whatever, and the thing that gets into momentum, the more people that upvotes or likes a post, the more momentum it will be, and the more traders will pour into a particular stock. In an interview with Steve Weiss on CNBC, he said it's the craziest thing ever. Here's a couple clips.
Well, I'm thinking that this GameStop situation is the craziest I think I've ever seen. You have a short squeeze and it goes up, but this one keeps going. So this really speaks to the changing demographics of investors in the market.
Steve brings up a good point, although I would push back on one thing. He said investors, I'd say traders.
And also Jim Cramer has some thoughts about GameStop. From CNBC, another clip.
And that is the phenomena of, David, you're not necessarily going to like this.
Tell me.
It's the Wall Street Bets people. And they have ganged up, arguably it's allowed by free speech purposes, to center on a few stocks, GameStop. But what's most important, David, is it's concerted, but it may be protected by free speech. And this is the paradigm. You're going to see it for Bed Bath & Beyond, using a loop upgrade. It's not necessarily froth here. It's the mechanics of the market are breaking down.
Previously, a week and a half ago, Jim Cramer was also talking about the GME stock. It was up 27% at the time, $39.91, and it was up 56% on a 5-year graph chart. So that was a week and a half ago.
Mr. Ryan Cohen joined the board of directors. Got a good track record. He's the guy who founded Chewy. Second, and more important, the new PlayStation and Xbox launched, and you can't find them anywhere. There's so much demand. Suddenly, the short sellers who'd made so much money in this stock were on the run. The buyers have hit the stock message boards and urged a gang tackle of the shorts.
Another article by MarketWatch, GameStop stock rockets again in volatile trading while company has not released news or commented. GameStop shares continue to soar towards a record in very active trading on Monday, January 25th. Article posted 12 p.m. Eastern Time. We can see from the past year, 2020 January right here, the price is around $6, and now we've been seeing this upsurge. This today, December 22nd, it was up 25%, and then this another huge day, January 13th, up 57%. A little consolidation right here. Last Friday it was up 51%. Now it is up 30% today. And it got all the way as high as, I believe, $159, and now it's all the way back down to $85. Huge amounts of volume. Volume is at 196.9 million. Right now it's at 136.7 million today. And with an average of around 25 million volume. So huge spikes. People are getting into the stock like crazy. Here's a couple of posts on the subreddit Wall Street Bets on GameStop. Posted 2 hours ago, can I get a flare for buying GME at the literal top? $155.29. This guy's low on battery, by the way. filled January 25th shares. So people literally share their screen, their stock purchases, their crazy gains, crazy losses. And this guy entered 50 shares on today, January 25th at 9:47 a.m. 50 shares at $155.29 for a total of $7,764.46. And so many people commented. There's 1.5k comments already 2 hours ago. Made me laugh out loud. Haha, you're doing great. Buy high and never sell. This is the way. This is the way. So many this is the way, and there's so many likes that every comments are getting. This is the way. In fact, the way. So this guy did $155, and right now the stock is at $83. So he nearly lost almost half of his money so far in a couple hours. Another one, just a screenshot of Business Insider. GameStop short sellers lost $1.6 billion in a single day as Reddit traders rebelled against them. Keyword Reddit. Short sellers targeting GameStop have lost $3.3 billion betting against the stock in 2020 as of last week's market close, according to S3 partner data. And lots of stuff. This is amazing. I'm honored to be on this. And how many comments does this have? 256 comments posted 2 hours ago. One more post. I'm not selling this until it's at least $1,000 GME. And another screenshot. This guy's average cost was $15.36 with 3,215 shares. That turned out to an average cost of $49,370.83. Today's return 150.99%, but this was probably when it was it was up $108. Probably gone down a little. I don't think he sold it because that's what he put in his description. His title: total return 603.29%. He gained $297,849.17 with an average cost of less than $50,000. So he got some options, $10, 10 contracts at a value of $39,000. Oh yeah, he made some calls. April 16th expiration date, $25 calls. 5.9k comments. This was posted 8 hours ago. Power to the players, my G's. And just so many comments on this post. An article by The Verge. Go read the story about how this is the R Reddit, Wall Street Bets, the subreddit, triggered a huge rise in GameStop's stock price. And GameStop stock mania will end very badly from the experts posted from Yahoo Finance. And in the CNBC article, GameStop shares have soared more than 250% in January alone, up 360% in 3 months. This stock was worth $6 a piece 4 months ago. Early Monday's jump in shares came despite a double downgrade from Tesla Advisor Group. Wall Street firm slashed its rating on GameStop to underperform from outperform, saying there's a disconnect between fundamentals and valuation. So every short squeeze, sellers were losing huge amounts of money. GameStop has been popular short target on Wall Street. A lot of people shorting GameStop. In fact, more than 138% of its float shares had been borrowed and sold short. We're not only seeing a different kind of trend that's going on when a lot of people post huge gains or some crazy post on Twitter, Reddit, Robinhood traders as they call it. They rush into the stock, it gained momentum. And another stock that previously did that was Tesla. Michael Burry, I talked about in a previous video, revealed he's short Tesla. Tells Elon Musk to issue more stock at its ridiculous price. Michael Burry made lots of money in the 2008 financial crisis. He's short big, and that was on December 3rd, 2020. Tesla has just been up huge amounts since then, the past 1.5 to 2 months. So if you're interested in buying GameStop stocks, I would be very, very cautious. It is way overextended. We could see just alone today it was up all the way as high as $159 and is now at the low $80. And it may be a little overvalued. Once people start taking profit, you know that there's going to be huge selling and the stock may go down. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. Please make your own financial investment decision. Take responsibility of your actions. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.